Friends, welcome to DBA World Tutorials. The next question is, what are the ASM instance parameter? The first one is instance type. In order to set the ASM instance parameters, this parameter must be set to instance type is equal to ASM. Note, this is the only required parameter. All other parameters take suitable defaults for the most environment. The next one is DB unique name. This parameter specifies the unique name for this group of ASM instance within the cluster or the node. The next one is ASM power limit. This parameter determines the maximum power of ASM instance for the disk rebalancing operations. The default size is 1, and which is also most database operations a higher setting makes the rebalancing operation faster. Next one is ASM distinct. The purpose of this parameter is to limit the set of disks that automatic storage management consider for discovery. If not specified, the entire systems is search for a compatible volumes, which are length, start times, the parameter default values null. The default clause ASM finds all of the disk platform specified location which has read write access. So these are the main important ASM disk string. Like what it do, the parameter is limit to set disk that automatic storage management consider for discovery. If it is not specified, the entire system is search for the compatible volume, which can be length, start of time. This parameter default is null. This default causes ASM finds for all the disk platform specific location which has read write access. That's it. The next one is ASM disk group. These parameters list the names of a disk group that will be mounted by all ASM instance at a startup, or when this alter disk group mount statement is issued. The parameter's default value is null. If parameter is not specified, then no disk groups are mounted. This parameter is dynamic. If you are using a server parameter, ASM automatically add disk groups to these parameters when the disk group is successfully mounted by the ASM instance, and automatically removes a disk group that is specifically dismounted. However, if you use the traditional text initialization parameter file, remember that you need to edit initialization parameter file to add the name and any disk group that want automatically mounted instance startup, and remove the name any disk group you no longer want mounted. That's it. That is the ASM disk group parameter. So the next question is, what are the Oracle ASM files stored? Oracle ASM files are stored within the Oracle ASM disk group. If we dig info internals, so Oracle ASM files stored within the Oracle ASM file system structure. That's it. The next question is, what is the use of ASM admin? ASM admin is the operating system group that holds the user who have sysASM's database privilege. These privileges need to be operation like mounting the disk group, dismounting the disk group, storage administration, like whatever you want to do the main operations, that time you need to have to be sysASM admin privileges. That's